If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Google account, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Access your Google account. Go to the Google account page by visiting My Account, Google.com. Sign in with the Google account that has the subscriptions you want to manage. Step 2. Navigate to Payments and Subscriptions. Once logged in, find the Payments and Subscriptions section in the menu. Click on it to view all your active subscriptions and payment methods. Step 3. View your subscriptions. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, click on Manage Subscriptions. This will display a list of all your current subscriptions linked to your Google account. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find the subscription you wish to stop and click on it. You will see details about the subscription, including an next billing date and amount. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Google account. Always keep an eye on your subscriptions to avoid unexpected charges in the future.